Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing, reviewing, and giving you guys the approximate value of my Sephora Play box from the month of April. As always, every single box comes with this handy dandy pamphlet that includes a little card for 50 extra beauty insider points when you make a purchase within that month. And then my favorite part, this all folds out. It tells you all of the products in the box, why they picked them, and how to use them. They are still using these weird little plastic bags. Mostly I just think this is a waste of plastic. I do like the color. I like this neon pinky purple, but I just don't know when I would ever need a plastic bag like this. The sample this month was not perfume, which I love. It is this VERB shampoo and conditioner. It is safe for color treated hair, and that is not me, so I might give it to somebody that actually has color treated hair that is looking for, you know, good shampoos that are not going to strip their hair of the color that they worked so hard to put in. The first product that I got, and one of only two that I liked this month, this is the Farmacy Honeymoon Glow. It is an AHA Resurfacing Night Serum. I absolutely love this. It kind of makes your face tingle. It kind of really does feel like it's doing something, and it makes my skin look really amazing afterward. You're only supposed to use it a couple of times a week because it is very strong, but it is not too strong for my sensitive skin, so I have been using and enjoying this. The approximate value for this little sample is about $9.67. And the other product that I got that I did like is the Urban Decay Perversion Mascara. Now I have received this in Sephora Play boxes previously, so it wasn't like a big shock that I enjoyed it, but I did enjoy it. It's a very good mascara, highly recommend it. Now I did want to note this, the sample size by my calculations is worth about $6, but if you actually go on the Sephora website, this sample size is $12. So I think that is very weird because this is a fourth of the big size, so it should be $6, not $12. It's not half of the big size. That doesn't make any sense, so that is kind of a ripoff. Definitely go for the full size, not the sample size on the Sephora website. Now everything else that I got in my Sephora Play box for the month of April was either disappointing because I couldn't use it or just kind of disappointing in general. So the first product that I got that I didn't like was this MERCIER Foundation Primer. This actually has soybean oil in it, so I cannot use it because I will have an allergic reaction. However, I have heard good things, so I'm disappointed that I couldn't try it, and the approximate value is about $11.40. This is the CLINIQUE Dramatically Different Moisturizing Lotion Plus. This has sesame, which I am allergic to, so again, I cannot use this. I'm not super disappointed about that though. Honestly, I've been sent a ton of Clinique products in the Sephora Play boxes, and I'm usually just meh. Like, I'm never super impressed with them, so there is that. And the value for this is about $5. And then last but not least, I got the Sephora Triple Action Cleansing Water with Matcha Green Tea Extract. I'm not a huge fan of the Sephora makeup removers cleansers. I find them to be kind of greasy, and I find that they don't work as well as I would like them to, so it's just okay. However, the value on the Sephora collection products is very good, so the sample's worth about $1.50. So that is everything that I got in my Sephora Play box for the month of April. If you are not keeping score, that brings the approximate value up to $33.57, although granted I could not use about 3 of the 5 products this month, so that is disappointing. Well, I couldn't use 2 of them, and then the third one I was just disappointed with. But yeah, not the best month, but hopefully you guys had a better month. If you did, definitely leave a comment down below. Let me know what you got. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Make sure you check me out on Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat at Eyeleah, EYELEAH. I would love to see you there. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day.